We're gonna make a vegan egg. I am just so amazed. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rose. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. If you want info on how to build a pre-post menopause body specifically, click the link in my bio for info about my private coaching. So excited. In this video, we're gonna make what I am calling an egg mug cake. So the inspiration behind this video comes from the amazingly, incredibly talented plant-based chef, Julia Dunley. Julia has been posting so much recently about her Just Egg dupe that she created from mung beans. So I'll put a link to her channel below. Go ahead and check that out. It's a little bit different. So I was looking at her recipe when she made the video and I was like, gosh dang it, I do not have the mung bean flour and I couldn't find it at my local Whole Foods. Julia is actually in Texas, I'm in New Jersey. Well, I had the hunkering for that eggy taste, and like Julia mentioned in her video, she doesn't really like Just Egg because of the expeller pressed canola oil, and I'm oil free myself, so I try to avoid that. So I was rummaging around my pantry and I was like, I need to create something, but I don't want to make a chickpea omelet, that's boring, and I need fast and easy peasy. This hack, along with all of my recipes, focuses on my three key. Number one is making sure that we reach the nutritional needs for what we need to get from our diet as a pre and post menopause plant-based woman. Majority of my clients in my one-on-one coaching program right now are in that age, and focusing on building lean muscle is really just the seatbelt to cruising through the rest of that next chapter. Higher protein intake, and when I'm talking about protein, I'm talking about plant protein. Higher plant protein intake is shown to help preserve and build lean muscle. The more lean muscle you have, the less belly fat that you have. When your estrogen levels start to fluctuate and decrease, when you're gearing up for menopause, what happens is all that body fat mobilizes to your belly, and then you're like, what the heck and heck, I have a spare tire around my waist, where did that come from? Number two is making sure that the recipe is super easy. When you're in that age, in perimenopause, postmenopause, you're tired, you're exhausted, you don't want to make a really long recipe when you have a craving for something, because then you'll just go up and get the fast. Number three is making sure this hits the micronutrient requirements too. We are making it from chickpea flour. Chickpea flour is an amazing source of folate and has some other minerals, and 25% of our iron RDA, which is super important for peri and post menopause. Let's get into the video. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is, number one, a mug. I wanna shout out Alex Applin. These are her custom mugs. One of my past clients, and she looks incredible right now. She can do pull-ups. When she came to me, she had just had her first baby and just needed a way to gear, she was doing starch solution, needed a way to gear her starch solution to what her body needed postpartum. So go get her mugs. They make coffee taste better. So we're gonna use them. You can click the link below to get the recipe. I'll convert it to Tablespoon. Trader Joe's brand of Nutritional yeast, and then turmeric, black pepper, garlic salt, and baking powder. The key ingredient to this is the black salt. This is Spicy World. I got this on Amazon, and this is going to make this actually taste like an egg and not like chickpea. We're going to zero out our scale and start with our chickpea flour. We're gonna do 15 grams of this, which is about a quarter cup. The good thing with chickpea flour, so when you're making an omelet, for example, you could just do the same amount of chickpea flour and water. What we're gonna do is just put this in the microwave for about 1 minute. Okay, so I just took this out of the microwave. It like doubled in size. It's nice and fluffy, and we are gonna reveal. I'm gonna flip it. Let's see here. Boom! 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 1 So I just grabbed some Ezekiel bread. This is my favorite brand of bread if I'm not making my protein bun. We're gonna use Ezekiel. I love it because there is no oil in this. It's all wholesome ingredients. So I just toasted 2 slices up. This is the low sodium one, and avocado. If you are someone that is, watch me, you guys, if you've watched me for a while, you know I have no cutting ability. So I just got so nervous. I wasn't paying attention. All right, we're gonna open, smush it on there. And if you're someone that is trying to lose fat, understanding your portion sizes, your nutrition parameters is key. And avocado is one of those things that you can go a little crazy with because it's a health food, but it might not be good for fat loss. So highly recommend to understand that. I will actually post my pre-menopause starter guide below if you are a woman who is trying to shred or prep for that next chapter in your life and you're really not sure where to start, what to eat, what your calories are, your macros. I'll post that all below. And then we're gonna add in some of the organic ketchup. Gonna smush this baby together, give it a nice diagonal cut. And there you have it, you guys. We've got a delicious egg sandwich. This is perfect for you if you need some protein, you just want plant-based, or if you're pre or post menopause, you need to get some more protein in your diet, which is crucial. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this sandwich and stick around. We've got so many more recipes just like these this fall. See you later.